Alright, Language Explorer, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, mean, meen, and means. So, mean is like angry, not very nice. Yeah, mean. Yeah, not nice. Yeah, not nice, not pleasant. Angry or aggressive. He is often mean in the morning. She is sometimes mean to her. They aren't always mean to each other. Why is he so mean? They can be mean if they know how. Yeah. He used to be mean to his brother. So, means is the ways and methods of doing something or achieving something. How something can be done. Yeah. I have the means to record this lesson. I have the knowledge, time, lesson material, and technology, the camera and beyond. I have the means to teach. I have the means to teach. I have the technology and tools. The technology and tools. Yeah. How cool is that? We have the means of achieving that. We have means of getting there easily, or easy and quickly. Yeah. How cool is that? He has all kinds of means at his disposal. Yes. He knows how to do he can do a lot of things. He is a man of means. Yeah, different tools, equipment, and abilities. Yeah, he can do a lot of things. Yeah, how cool is that? Very good. Yeah, a lot of means and abilities, talents and skills. Talents and skills. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. And mean, not very nice. Yeah. So, can you use mean and means in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.